What would happen if a meteor hits Earth today? A question that has sparked countless debates and sci-fi tales. Let's start at the beginning. Picture this: a meteor, a chunk of space debris, remnants from the birth of our solar system, hurtling through the cosmos. These cosmic nomads are more common than you might think, with countless meteors zipping through space every day. Most are no larger than a grain of sand and pose little threat to our planet. As they approach Earth, the friction with our atmosphere typically incinerates them, creating the shooting stars we see in the night sky. But what about the big ones? The ones that don't burn up in our atmosphere, the ones that survive the fiery descent and continue on their collision course with Earth? Well, that's where things get interesting, and a bit terrifying. Now, let's consider what would happen if one of these celestial bodies were to collide with Earth. Imagine a meteor miles wide, hurtling towards Earth at incredible speeds. This celestial juggernaut, upon impact, would release energy equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs. The massive explosion would create a crater so large and deep, it would make the Grand Canyon seem like a mere dent in the sand. As a result of this violent collision, vast amounts of debris would be ejected into the atmosphere, creating a thick layer of dust and smoke that could blanket the entire planet. This could lead to a chilling phenomenon known as a nuclear winter. With sunlight blocked, global temperatures would drop drastically, potentially for years. The environment would transform, and life as we know it would be severely challenged. Crops would fail, ecosystems would collapse, and the world would plunge into a deep freeze. The immediate aftermath would be catastrophic, but the long-term effects could be even more devastating. So, we've survived the initial impact. What comes next? Well, the aftermath of a meteor strike could be nothing short of catastrophic. There's a possibility of a mass extinction event, eerily similar to what scientists believe led to the dinosaurs' demise. Imagine this. The impact of the meteor could throw up so much dust and debris that it blocks out the sun. Without sunlight, plants, the bedrock of most food chains, would struggle to survive. And without plants, animals, including us humans, would have a hard time finding food. The world as we know it would change, perhaps irreversibly. But in this bleak scenario, there's a glimmer of hope. Human survival isn't entirely off the table. We could take steps to mitigate the effects. Underground shelters, stockpiling food, and developing new technologies are just some of the ways we could adapt. In the face of such a disaster, human ingenuity would be put to the ultimate test. Is there any way we could prevent such a disaster? The answer is yes. We are not entirely defenseless against the cosmic invaders. Current methods for detecting near-Earth objects include ground-based telescopes and satellite systems that constantly scan the skies for any potential threats. But detection is only the first step. The real challenge lies in deflecting or destroying a meteor before it could hit Earth. Scientists have proposed several potential solutions, from nuclear detonations to kinetic impactors that would nudge the object off course. These solutions, though, remain largely theoretical and would require advanced technology and precise calculations. In this endeavor, the role of space agencies like NASA and ESA is crucial. Yet, it's not just about one nation or one organization. International cooperation is key to pooling resources, sharing knowledge, and coordinating efforts to prevent a meteor impact. While the possibility of a meteor impact is a terrifying thought, it's also a reminder of the importance of space exploration and our ongoing efforts to safeguard our planet.